All right, today we're going to bring in some string lights, and look at this. This has a remote. You could change them from here, or if you want, you could change them from the actual app. There is an app that you have to download, or you could turn them off. You could turn them on here. There's different features on it. They give you different demos that you could set up. If you guys can see that, we're going to set these up outside right now. But look at all these different templates they have. You could do audio too. So if you're talking or music or so forth, it'll sync up automatically. And you could do all these functions. On top of it, you could set up your Alexa, your Google Home, and you could set up timers. So now that the holidays are coming, you don't need to buy timers, expensive timers. You could buy these types of lights. And of course, you're going to be setting up the entire area. You could set it up, the schemes, how you want. You could change different colors. You could do flags. You could do holidays. It could be Thanksgiving. It could be Halloween. Pretty much any holiday you want, you could set up on your phone. We're going to set these up to see how they look outside. I'm going to take a look at the string light, and I do have a remote here, but we're going to do it manually. You can see it from here to here. I'm just going to change it around. I wrapped it around the tree, around these two trees. We'll change the fixture of it, if you guys can see that. Different modes. Like I say, it has a remote. You could do the remote with the actual phone, but look at that. Many different modes ready for the holidays. I think I'm gonna get some more and wrap it around, keep wrapping it around my other trees. Look at that. Different, hundreds of different templates they have. You see that? It starts out slowly, it goes all the way. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.